all about the students. It's about being able to take what's going on in the class and then come in here and actually apply it.
What students will be able to see is how the stock prices are changing together on the market relative to the sector of the companies that they're watching.
I really love that at Stevenson University we have that personal connection with our professors, working one-on-one and helping us really understand how to apply the material.
I've had 2 internships, one with Tufton Capital Management as an equity research analyst, and the other with Exelon Corporation in the financial operations department.
When I graduate, I'm going to be working at Morgan Stanley as an analyst, and what I'm really looking forward to contributing there is just a lot of the problem-solving skills that I've built up here at Stevenson.
We have a Financial Management Association on campus that has just recently started a student managed investment fund. They have a brokerage account with Charles Schwab where they will be able to actually invest real money into assets, and so this lab will be a space where they will be able to research those potential investment options and then actually execute the trades.